So first, I'm going to edit the logo. Then I divide it here for the serial number. Then I create another box for paye, and under it is the office, and lastly the address. Then I add the responsibility center. Next to it is the particulars. Next is MFO or PAP. Then UX object, code or expenditure, then amount. Then under the particulars, I add the SAS contract of service with ATM card, February 1 to 28 and 2026. And after that, under the MFOPAP, then for the UX object, and we will continue answering it for the amount. Then of course the total. Then we have here the A and B letters, which is have their specific names and objectives. Then for the letter C, we will discuss about the status of utilization. Then allow me to fast forward for this part. I adjust the spacing so that it won't change when it transfer to the laptop because I only using phone. Now to the letter C, which is the utilization status. So in this part we have here the date, particulars, then the utilization A, payable B, and payment C. And lastly is the balance, that not yet due. Since page 1 and page 2 have the same data, I copy the page 1 and paste it in the other side, which is the page 2, but I erase all the information in the page 2 and change it that only allows what I need to do. So in the page 3, we have here the same logo, which is the Bipso. Then the side of it is the font cluster. Then in this part, all the data is now different from page 1 and 2. Now take a look the final work that I work using the cell phone. So in this part, we're going to solve the total amount, which is that color green. The formula is equal, open parenthesis, F10 times G10, close parenthesis. Then it will automatically calculated, and we will continue it until this row is done. So next, color green is the rate or the minutes. So the formula is equal, open parenthesis, F10 times 8 times 60, close parenthesis. So it means that 8 is the days of work, then 60 is a minute that have an hour. So it all have the same formula, and we're gonna continue it until it's done. So I'm gonna fast forward for this. So next green is the total. So the formula is we're gonna times the L10 and G10 for the sum, and we're gonna continue this to the rest. So next column is the total amount or the net from late. So the formula is we're gonna minus the H10 and K10. So we're gonna put the equal, open parenthesis, H10 minus K10, then close parenthesis. And we're gonna do this to the rest.
So next here we have the total deduction, that color green. So the formula is we're gonna add the MPL, HDMF, and the professional tax.
And for the next column, we have here the net amount received. So the formula is we're gonna minus the L10 and Q10. So we're gonna continue it to the rest so we can go to the next sheet.